silent production.
Magst du mal schnell an die Puster schauen, ob die Details da stehen? Du kennst sie doch, oder? Ich weiß jetzt nicht.
They are defined as English negative, CD45 positive, CD127 positive, and CD161 positive cells. So they're quite rare, and in normal conditions, in healthy tissues, they are almost not present. And it has been reported that ILCs are increased in the skin of atopic dermatitis patients. And since we observed that at least healthy skin, in healthy skin there are more ILCs than in healthy blood, we were currently wondering what is the origin of the increase of the ILCs in atopic skin, because it's not really clear whether they proliferate from ill-defined local precursor or they immigrate from blood. And therefore, we compared the percentages of 45 positive cells in atopic blood versus the healthy blood. And we found out that in atopic blood, the percentage of 45 positive cells of ILCs is much lower than in healthy blood. And what is also interesting that in terms of the phenotype, since in skin the majority of ILCs are ILC type 2, it turned out that in the blood, particularly lower amount of ILCs are ILC2s. So there are much lower ILC2s in atopic blood than in atopic skin in terms of the percentage of 45 positive cells. And therefore we hypothesized that maybe the reason for this is that they all immigrate, that they can migrate into the skin. And in order to somehow, you cannot rule directly, you cannot trace the cells, but we checked for the skin hormone molecules, CCLA, CCR4, CCR6, and CCR10, if there are at least on some cells present. And since we saw for some of the, at least some of the cells are positive for these markers, so technically it's possible that the cells migrate there. And if this is the case, then it could be really a potential pharmacologic loop that can be blocked. So, thank you for your attention.
Vielen Dank. Thank you very much. Are there questions? I have one. It might be stupid. So, how high are the levels in the blood as compared to the skin? In general,
You mean like as a percent?
do you find more of the ILCs in the blood or in the tissue? Might be a stupid question, but
In healthy, in the tissue there are more cells. So for instance here there is blood versus skin. Here is the normal human skin. As a percentage of 45 positive cells is like this. And the healthy blood it's like this. So this is a significant difference. So in skin there are higher percentage of 45 positive cells than in the blood. And there you can see the percentages of 45 positive cells in the AD blood compared to healthy blood.
and it were the same patients that you analyzed throughout this experiment.
Yes, it's like a 21 atopic patient and
But you always analyzed both skin and blood. No.
We just compared.
You separated the two analyses.
Yeah, separate analysis. But for the atopic, we compared 21 people with atopic samples and 17 healthy control blood. So the idea is that, the major idea is that in atopic blood there are much less LCs than in healthy ones, and therefore there could be different causes of this phenomenon. One of them is probably they migrate into the skin because they express skin hormone molecules.
Do we know the mechanisms of migration? So what makes them migrate into the skin? Is that known?
Well, since the Nectin-4 cells are to some extent like T cells, and since it has been shown that the LCs can also express the skin hormone molecules. So if it's like T cells, if there is a damage or the interleukin-1 production, TNF-alpha or some bacterial infection, then endothelial cells are coagulate E-selectin or something like the ligands for the skin hormone molecules, and that could be the reason why the cells through the blood circulation somehow grab on the local site and stay.
So, and your idea is if you could block this migration into the tissue, that could be a therapeutic approach, right?
Could be, yeah.
There's one question here.
Have you also profiled ILCs in the skin to see which of the, because this is done on the profile, so those are the ones that stay in the blood. So have you looked in the skin and see?
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. Yeah.
For the healthy one, it's not right here, but the majority of ILCs in the skin are ILC2s. Because, so if you define the phenotype like by CRTH2 and CD117, those ones which are CRTH2 positive are considered to be ILC2s, and the majority, like around 80% of ILCs at least, with the flow cytometry forge, with this marker are ILC2s. So even in the healthy one.
The skin homing profile. The CLA.
Das geht nicht, oder?
Well, those, I think
Klick das noch.
How about the severity of AD? Severity of AD patients.
they were all, those which were analyzed are severe, untreated AD patients.